Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Kevin, special edition. We are here in Strathroy, Ontario. Yes, we're visiting our daughter, and yes, she had the baby. Baby Aspen was born on early Sunday morning at 2:30. So we are now visiting with our grandson.
And there's our other grandson.
There's our other grandson.
He wanted to be in the camera.
So, we are cooking dinner tonight. A little bit of special treat. We're doing a roast pork.
And what's on it?
That's just onion soup mix to help with the broth for the gravy. We have our potatoes with onions. We're doing cheesy scallop potatoes. Okay, and then we're going to steam up some cauliflower and broccoli.
All right, and the sauce for the potatoes.
The sauce for the potatoes is a couple, depending on how many potatoes you use, a couple of cans of cream of mushroom. You can use cream of broccoli. You use cream of chicken. Another one that we've used is actual
cream of cheddar cheese.
Yeah, cream of cheddar cheese, Cheez Whiz, and some real cheese. We mix that up with milk and
salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper, and that's what makes our sauce for scalloped potatoes.
All right, so we'll bring you back when he gets the sauce made and show you.
Okay. Okay. So we now are going to make our sauce. So like I said, we use 2 cans of mushroom soup.
Now, if it's just Kevin and I, we only make a half batch.
Just 1 can of milk.
Yeah, add more if you need it.
Yeah. Can of milk.
Was that in the fridge?
Yeah.
Yeah, you should melt it in the microwave for a little bit first.
Okay.
So we don't measure again.
No, we just kind of think that's a little good, eh?
Yeah.
Well, I guess just because we're adding some real cheese.
Exactly. So there's the mushroom soup and milk. And there's Mr. Frankie over there. Hi, Mr. Frankie. Are you going to be the star today?
Oh, it's like you're cooking. Like there's food.
Yep. So you can shred the cheese while you're waiting. He's going to clean as he's waiting, so. And Bentley, what's your channel name? What is it?
B Rabbit Craft.
B Rabbit Craft? There we go. Bentley's got his own channel too. Okay, you need to get your homework done, dude. Done? Oh my goodness. All right, well, Papa can help you make your birdhouse later too. All right, we'll bring you back in a minute. All right, so we melted the Cheez Whiz, maybe a little too much, but that's okay.
Oh, sorry.
You just want to soften the Cheez Whiz so it's easy to blend. That's all. So, blend that up, shred some cheese. Oh, we need salt and pepper. I think it's over here. There's salt, pepper. Did you want a little garlic or anything?
Yeah.
No? I'll add this.
Salt and pepper.
I know I'm supposed to just be the camera person, but I'll add the salt and pepper. I can be a sous chef.
Mix this a little bit before I add the cheese.
There he goes making a mess again, guys.
Yeah, that's why I like keeping a cloth around.
When Kevin stirs stuff, he's not very careful.
Because when I stir, I like to stir things. I like to get it
That's why you don't like my fancy whisk.
Nope.
All right, so once we're assembling it, I'll bring you back.
Okay, so we got the sauce all mixed up. And now we're just gonna put potatoes, some onions, some sauce, some more potatoes and onions. And just
Yeah, I didn't mix the onions and potatoes up when I peeled them. So.
sauce in. Now we're not particular how we put potatoes in.
No.
I've seen some people making scalloped potatoes and it's like they're building a...
Yeah, layering them ever so gently. And
yeah,
no.
That's great, you know, if you want to be...
No, that's an onion. Don't let him have that.
It's not an onion, it's potato.
Okay.
I mean, great, but...
We're not that particular.
No.
No. And you can put the rest in, hon. Because
No.
they melt down.
Well, I would like to. Listen.
Listen, Linda, listen.
This is Cooking with Kevin, not Cooking with Kelly.
Yeah.
I don't have enough sauce.
Sure you do.
No, I don't.
Sure he does.
No, I don't. See, my wife is going to learn to listen to me because just like, no, dear, turn left here. It's this way. Who was right? Nope, that's...
Yeah.
You gotta admit, I am better at judging than you are.
Nah. Scalloped potatoes shrinks.
Yes, but
So there we go. Yummy.
Yep. So that's it. So
Yep.
that is the scalloped potatoes.
And this is one of the dishes that our kids, every time we go to visit or they come to visit us, this is one that they ask for.
Yeah. So we're gonna throw some tin foil on that. And I think if I have a small enough pan, I'm going to put the potatoes on top because I just cleaned my daughter's oven for her.
Well, you can put it on a cookie sheet, yeah.
Yeah.
So, yeah. All right. So, when supper is ready, we'll bring you back and show you the final dish. All right.
Okay, everything's out of the oven. Potatoes are done. Pork is done. And we got some steamed vegetables here, cauliflower and broccoli.
Yummy.
So that is Cooking with Kevin for this week. Stay tuned. See what I have on our plate for next week.